Indian economic updates. New UPI features like ATM cash withdrawals and delegated payments for family and friends could accelerate the decline of debit cards. UPI, now designed for all retail digital payments, challenges core debit card functions. RBI data shows debit card usage at merchants dropped to 144 million in July 2024, down from 312 million 2 years ago. UPI's Circle feature allows users to authorize family members to transact from their UPI-linked accounts, directly competing with add-on debit cards traditionally given to relatives. Major UPI platforms like Amazon Pay, Google Pay, PhonePe, and Bheem are testing this feature, set to launch soon. India's key stock indices surged by about 1.5% to record highs, driven by gains in banking stocks. The Sensex closed at an all-time high of 84,544.31, up 1.63%, while the Nifty rose 1.48% to 25,790.95. This rally followed the US Federal Reserve's unexpected 50 basis point interest rate cut, fueling expectations of a similar move by the Reserve Bank of India. Foreign portfolio investors purchased shares worth 14,064 crore rupees while domestic institutions sold 4,427 crore rupees. Optimism around potential rate cuts and a strong banking performance contributed to the gains, although market volatility, as indicated by the volatility index, increased slightly. Retail inflation edged up to 3.65% in August from 3.6% in July, driven by higher food and vegetable prices but still below the Reserve Bank of India's 4% target. Factory output rose 4.8% in July, with manufacturing improving to 4.6% from a 7-month low of 3.2% in June. Food inflation increased to 5.66%, with pulses and vegetables experiencing significant price hikes. Core CPI inflation eased to 3.5%, while services inflation hit an 8-month high of 3.4%. The RBI held the repo rate at 6.5% in July, monitoring inflation and weather-related risks to crop yields. Investment activity showed signs of growth, with capital goods up 12%. The Indian rupee appears poised for gains after a prolonged period of weakening against the dollar, buoyed by a significant rate cut and positive economic outlook from the US Federal Reserve. The rupee closed at 83.48 per dollar, marking a 0.2% increase over 2 sessions following a surprising 50 basis point rate reduction. In the week ending 20th September, the rupee recorded its strongest rise of the year, gaining 0.4%. Experts anticipate further appreciation as the interest rate gap between India and the US widens, with projections suggesting the rupee could reach 83.5 against the dollar in the near term. However, the Reserve Bank of India's stance on currency strength, amid concerns over exports, remains crucial in determining the rupee's trajectory.